If you've been watching the gold and silver markets, you know both gold and silver have been moving up rapidly. The question is, who is going to win the race in percentage gains for 2024? Well, you might not have to look any further than the gold to silver ratio to find out. Before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe for more economic updates. Gold just finished a banner march, rising roughly 10% to more than $2,200 per ounce. And silver was right there with it, also increasing by 10% over the same period. There are many reasons to be optimistic about gold and especially silver right now. With expected rate cuts and experts believing that demand will increase significantly in the industrial sector, we're expecting prices to see heavy upward pressure. As the single best conductor of electricity, industrial demand accounts for roughly half of silver's total demand. The Silver Institute says industrial demand is poised to surge this year. Overall global silver demand is forecast to reach 1.2 billion ounces in 2024. That would be the second highest level of demand on record. One of the reasons why strategists are increasing their confidence in silver is the gold to silver ratio. The ratio represents how many ounces of silver it takes to equal the value of 1 ounce of gold. A higher ratio suggests that silver is undervalued compared to gold, creating a buying opportunity. The ratio average in the current millennium has been around 60-1. Right now, the ratio is hovering around 90-1, significantly above its long-term average, and suggesting the possibility that silver could be acutely undervalued compared to gold. The current ratio has the attention of Nikki Shields, head of metals strategy at MKS PEMP, a global metals trading company. With expected easier G10 monetary policy now collectively tolerating a higher for longer inflation regime, high beta cyclical commodities like silver should outperform and the ratio should re-rate lower. What Shields is talking about here is not new. We have done several videos on this because when the silver to gold ratio has gotten very high, we have seen silver outperform gold over and over again. JP Morgan, which recently projected gold to reach as high as $2,500 per ounce, says it thinks silver may touch $30 per ounce by the end of the year, roughly 20% above the current price level. Joni Tevis, precious metal strategist at UBS, recently suggested silver is poised to, quote, really shine this year, adding, I think the move could be quite dramatic. And in a recent interview, John LaForge, head of real assets at Wells Fargo, declared, pretty soon, silver will be the asset to own. For those of you who are experienced gold and silver buyers, you understand the opportunity that exists when the gold to silver ratio gets high. For those of you who are new, get excited because I'm certainly excited and can't wait to see where we'll be at the end of the year.